Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about JD Chinese Shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to cancel an order on JD Chinese Shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or iDoFish or JD app or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your JD app. Having opened up your JD shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to your profile. For every order that you want to cancel, it's going to be found right here. Go ahead and click on here. And here you go. Select the order that you want to cancel. So I'm going to cancel this order right here. The next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed. And this is going to pump up right here. Go ahead and click on here. And you have to state the reason why you want to cancel the order. So I'm going to choose order right here. Then go ahead and click on here to submit cancellation. It's as simple as that. The order has been cancelled successfully. By the time I go back to order page, so you can see the order is no longer found right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your JD shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.